Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your account on Axios HR. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in axioshr.com. It will take you to the official website of AOSR. In this interface, you can see Employee Login and Client Login at the top right corner. If you want to log in into your Employee account, click on Employee Login. If you want to log in into your client account, click on Client Login. It will take you to the login portal. Over here, enter the username of your account. Once you do that, enter your password and click on Sign In button. You will be logged into your account on AOSR. In case if you guys forgot your password, click here, Forgot Your Password to reset it. So, this is how you can log in into your AISN account. This much for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon for latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. We will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.